Theory of equations, part 5, exercise 4a, exercise 4a, second bit, second problem, most important problem. Okay, right. If alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0, then find sigma alpha square beta square and sigma alpha beta of alpha plus beta. Okay, right, solve this one. Given equation, given if alpha, beta and gamma are the roots of equation x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, comparing with x cube third degree polynomial x cube plus p1x square plus p2x plus p3 equals to 0, here coefficient of x square p1 where p1 equals to minus 2, p2 equals to 3, p3 equals to minus 4. Find three conditions, that means sum of the roots, sum of the product of the two roots, product of the three roots. Okay, first condition, sum of the roots, S1 means sum of the roots, S1 equals to formula, what is the formula? Minus P1, S1 equals to minus P1. So S1 means sum of the roots means alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus P1 equals to minus 2, minus of minus plus 2, equation number 1. Okay, right. Second one, product of the roots taken at a time, two roots. Okay, S2 equals to changes signs, minus plus alternate P2, S2 equal to P2. S2 means sum of the product of the two roots, alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha equals to P2 equals to 3, equation number 2. Okay, right. S3 equals to product of the roots minus P3 alternate, minus plus alternate, take the signs alternate. So S3 means product of the three roots, S3 means product of the three roots, alpha beta gamma equals to minus P3 equals to minus 4, minus of minus plus 4, equation number 3. Okay, now find the value of first one. What is the value of alpha square beta square? Sigma alpha square beta square. Sigma means summation. So alpha square beta square, expand this one, alpha square beta square plus, next alpha, after alpha beta square, beta gamma square, next beta gamma square alpha square. Okay, right, complete. So alpha beta whole square plus beta gamma whole square plus gamma alpha whole square. So since a square plus b square plus c square equals to a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, so formula a square plus b square plus c square equals to a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 of ab plus bc plus ca. Right, substitute the value of a means a square alpha beta square, b square beta gamma square, c square gamma alpha square. Okay, right, substitute this one. A alpha beta, b beta gamma, c gamma alpha whole square minus 2 of a means alpha beta, b means beta gamma, alpha beta beta gamma, alpha beta square gamma, alpha beta square gamma, bc b gamma beta gamma gamma alpha, beta gamma square alpha. So overall take the common alpha beta gamma, alpha beta gamma. Okay, remaining alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, right, substitute the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma plus alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha beta gamma. Substitute the values. So alpha beta beta gamma alpha equals to 3. So 3 square minus 2 of alpha beta gamma 4 alpha plus beta plus gamma from 1 implies 2. Okay, 3 square 9 minus 2 4 is 8, 8 2 is 16, that is equals to minus 7. Therefore sigma alpha square beta square equals to minus 7. Right, next second one sigma alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Expand this one. So sigma alpha beta into alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Next beta gamma into beta plus gamma plus gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha. Okay, so alpha beta into alpha plus beta from 1 implies alpha plus beta equals to 2 minus gamma plus beta gamma into beta plus gamma equals to 2 minus alpha plus gamma alpha into gamma plus alpha from 1 implies gamma plus alpha equal to 2 minus beta since from 1 implies. Okay, right, simplify this one. 2 alpha beta minus alpha beta gamma plus 2 beta gamma minus alpha beta gamma plus 2 gamma alpha minus alpha beta gamma. Okay, take the common 2 of alpha plus alpha beta gamma alpha beta gamma 3 alpha beta gamma. 2 of alpha beta beta gamma gamma alpha from 2 implies 3 minus 3 of alpha beta gamma from 3 implies 4 from 2 and 3 implies, okay, 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12, minus 6 minus 6.